How to run ads on Instagram for Shopify. Hello everyone, this video is going to talk about how you can make your own ads on Instagram for your small businesses like Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to go into Shopify App Store and search for Instagram. What you want to download is this little application called Facebook and Instagram. You want to install that first. Instagram is one of the best places for you to run your ads for small businesses. It is manageable, the budget is manageable, and also very effective. So first of all, you will have to download that, install that. It is free, so don't worry about money. Then you would want to connect your Facebook page to this. So you want to go into Get Started and connect Facebook account. If you already have an account, that is great. If not, what you want to do is to have a business account and a business page on Facebook and both Instagram as well. So how you can do it is to go create your Facebook page and a Facebook account with a Facebook page, and then you want to go into the page and click manage and find linked account and link it with your Instagram account. You have to do it before you actually use the application to make your ads. So as shown here, this is how you can connect it with your Instagram. So once you have done that, you will need to do that. You need both accounts. So if you didn't already have those pages, you will have to create those first. Once you've done that, you can go back to the page before, and the page as in the Shopify, Facebook, and Instagram page, and then you can connect your Facebook page, your Instagram page with this application that we've just downloaded. So you go in here and click connect account and connect it with your Facebook. Sometimes it will take a little while. You can't see me clicking some of the options here because of security, but you can, just click it and connect with your Facebook. Again, this process, connecting things can be slow, so it's okay. Once you have connected, you should see that there is a green tick next to the Facebook account. And then, as shown here, it should be done. This is how it should look. And then you can move on to the next step. You go down and you can see this column. You also click connect. When you see these three options, obviously we will want to go for maximum because we want to have more people to look at our ads, obviously. And then in here, we would want to, if you already have one, it's good. If you don't have one, create a new picture, create it and confirm it. Again, for security reasons, my screen didn't record some of the things that popped up, but it's okay. For the things that ask you to confirm or continue, you should just click OK or agree and it should be fine. Obviously, it is also recommended that you read those little details to make sure that everything is safe. Otherwise, it really basically should be fine. And then you will be brought to a page of your computer finishing the channel setup. This may take a while and don't refresh your page. After it is done, you should see something like this. You would want to click on to create ad directly to start creating your own ad. Your page should look like something like this. If you don't have if you can't see your account, just click into the account. Don't click other things. Click into your existing account and it should be okay. Then you should see something like this, a page looking similar to this. What you want to do after you've clicked your account is to select your payment method, is to create a new one or select the payment method. I'm going to skip for now, and then you should also click into the page that you have selected. You clicked into the page, you don't have to click into a page, just confirm the page that it is shown, and then you want to click create new. And then in here you can see these. What you want to choose is auction. Remember to choose auction but not other thing else. And in here there are many options that you can choose. You can look at each options details and choose the ones you like. But if you are choosing making the ad for Shopify, obviously you would want to go for sales, because this is what the ad is maximizing the benefits of. Here you would also want to choose manual instead of what it is chosen for you automatically, so that you can have more control over how you want to actually control make your ad, and also the budget and everything. Now you would be brought to the page like this. What you want to do is name your campaign, and also different products, or the details, the naming. You can do those yourself. I'm gonna just name it sample. And down in here, there are many options that you can look at. You can customize it completely yourself. A/B test is something that you can or don't need to actually choose. It is just something that you can test out. In the end, it will show you how it looks in different designs and in different placements for different audiences. So you can choose it if you want to make your ad more accurate or complicated in a way. But if it is your first time doing ads, running ads on Instagram, then I don't recommend making anything too complicated. Once you've finished that page, you can click into next, and you will be brought into here. You can choose where the ad is going to bring those people that click into the ad. For Shopify, you may want to go for website, or you can also choose other options like apps or websites and apps. Now, the next thing you want to pay attention to is budget. Budget is very important. You should always keep it in mind. When you scroll down, you will see budget and schedule. What you want to do is choose whether you want a daily budget or a lifetime budget, and make sure that what you're choosing for your everyday, the budget, the amount is exactly what you intend to be, and also how, when and what time will your ad go out and stop going. You can also choose to not have an end date. You can also use this budget schedule to help yourself. The other thing that is very important is to choose the location. What you want to do is to make sure that your ads are going to the places that you want the people from there to see. So other than your local place, you can also choose other places by scrolling into the map and picking an exact point. So you can just pick the point and click it on the map to choose where you want it. You can also go directly into search places and search for the place that you want. Of course, it would be better if there are more people around the world that can see our products, our ads. However, we should also keep our budget in mind and make sure that we are not choosing too many places or choosing the places that are not necessary, and make sure that our budget is not going to be, we are not going to go over our budget. So for the other options, you can always go through them. You can look on the right to see the expected results. In other things, you also like the inventory you want to choose. I would recommend limited inventory, but you can always choose your own ones or test it out if you set your the schedule of your ad to be not for that long, so that you will have a period to just look at the results and test it out before you actually go on a more committed long ad. Now, once you have clicked next, you will be brought to a page that you can design your own ad. Now, apparently, because I didn't have a profile picture for my Instagram account and it didn't let me continue, but it is okay. Regardless, once you have done that, you can actually go and create your ad. Now, you can create your ad that is completely designed by yourself, or you can also choose other options. If you choose create ad, you can also choose the format, so how people are going to see your ad. Is it going to be just a single picture? Is it going to be a collection? When you click on that and you click add preview, on the right hand side you can see the preview of the ad as feeds, as a post on your feed or on your Instagram stories. You can also choose your own headings and customize it completely yourself. You can also extend it into advanced preview to see things in more details. Now, designing part is obviously very important. Designing your ad, it will definitely affect whether or not people want to click into your ad and bring it to your website. So one of the ways that you can get your ideas is to go onto Google and search for some idea for your, obviously go into Google and search for ideas for your ads. You can look at other people's examples and copy them in the ways that you want. Copy the design, or you can also search for Instagram ads templates and use those other applications such as Canvas to help yourself. So this is the end of the video. I hope you find it helpful and I will see you again very soon. Goodbye.